Alright, what's going on? It's Creeperhater here, and today we're going to be continuing our Metro game. Now, last time I played this, as you can tell, if you watched the last video.
When it has been years since anyone's heard anything but static and white noise on the radio, who could still believe we are not alone on this earth? My wife, my comrades from the Order, my friends, people from my station. Nobody believes me. They are sure that there's nothing on the radio. Sure that save for us, who hid in Moscow Metro, there were no survivors of the last war. We are alone on this planet, and in the Metro it's common knowledge. But I did hear that call on the radio with my own ears. Yes, it was immediately drowned out by the static, but I had heard it. Which means that somewhere out there, under the skies, there's still a habitable place. We're not doomed to live the rest of our lives underground. Still, nobody believes me.
Anyway, as I was saying, last time we played, the game kind of broke a lot, so I'm just kind of hoping that it doesn't. And there's already explosions happening. Okay, I didn't. This is way. Okay, this is way back. This is way back in the game. But yeah, I'll see you in a second. Alright, so this is where we're at. And I did look up a tutorial. Or at least look up someone else played until this part. And apparently it's right here. Yep, there it is. Alright. And this is where I stopped. I just wanted to know how to get there. But yeah. Okay. Here we go. Do I have to? Yep. Oh god, there's lots of people. Jeez, this is a sketch. This is super sketch. Ooh, take that guy out. Alright, I didn't want to I thought the fist would make more sense to pull him out the window, but this is like the armory right here. Look at all this stuff. Take everything. Alright. Oh god. Let's go. Don't mind me. Again, this is super sketch. Whoa. Again, I'm sure there's notebooks. Notebooks or something else somewhere, but I'm not bothering to look. Ooh, actually, I'll take that. Now you've done it. You're lucky, your daughter. I get it? Oh, interesting. That's cool. I got an achievement for that too. I'll just steal all your ammo real quick. He's gone. I hear guns reloading or something. Maybe that's just a train, I don't know. What? I couldn't shoot.
Don't shoot! I'm just a stalker. I'm not with you. They made me. Just to the boiler as you can.
Oh my god, screw that. Come on, get up there. Oh my god. Hello. Destroyed. fix this noise.
Oh my god, Artyom! Thank goodness you're okay!
Wholesome. I'm gonna say that every time we like interact like this. Like, look at that. That's wholesome.
Now we are not just traitors. We are honest to God enemy saboteurs.
Nice.
We stopped 100 clicks from Moscow to check our Geiger counters. The thing is, they are all in the green, as if they're in a conspiracy. Still, this amazing piece of news doesn't really impress anyone that much. The guys are all confused as to what to do next. And I'm just waiting for answers. And hoping the commander, whom until recently I trusted implicitly, is going to be extremely persuasive in his reasoning.
Oh man. Wake up, sleepyhead.
Why the long faces?
We are at a crossroads, so to speak, where everybody can help but wonder. What next? Where do we go from here?
Yes, more or less what I expected from you. But you got the picture. So, is your counter functioning? Have you checked it?
Yes, it's all green. Double checked it. Stepan's in the green too. We don't need masks here.
So, they were telling the truth.
Who was telling the truth? Why won't you answer? Who were those people trying to kill us? Why would they shoot at you, the Order's commander? Explain something at least. You owe us that.
Well, I might as well drop the bomb now. The war did not end.
What do you mean, did not end?
Let me finish. Most of our cities are destroyed. The rest of the country is probably under enemy occupation. To avoid new nuclear attacks against us, Command chose the only viable course of action: to play dead. To ensure radio silence, the SHIELD system was created. A network of radio jammers covering Moscow and suburbs, so that some radio enthusiasts wouldn't bring more bombs down on our heads by whining on air. And it's one of these jammers that got disabled by the hands of those present here.
Could you not have shared that before? Say, before Artyom took that radio outside and caught all that radiation?
No! I only got briefed half year ago. Under a strict, you talk, you die policy. And then had to tell my people we were securing a weather station.
Sir, with all due respect, if we can't go back, maybe we should advance and move on?
I have an idea, but... Artyom, rather than carrying on with this silent disapproval of yours, check the airwaves. We should be out of the jamming range by now, so give it your best try. Look for transmissions from the Ark. Do you understand
That's
now
cool.
why we are traitors in the eyes of Command? We shut down a jamming station, shot up the guards, destroyed a patrol train, and ran away from Moscow. Who even needs a trial when the case is so clear? And there's no way back now. Which means we have to continue.
Can you be quiet?
moving forward.
Command, what are you talking about?
The Moscow Defense Command. Have you ever heard of the Invisible Watchers?
I have, but they're just an urban legend.
Not at all. They are Command.
Are you sure they care for...
Wait a moment, what was that?
Operation Committee speaking from the Ark Project base. Everyone who can hear me, everyone still will...
Listen, everyone!
Proceed to the rally point. Rally point location is code 1811-79. Area 18-5.
Where's that number supposed
Proceed
to
to the rally point. Rally point location is code
So it is somewhere around here. The Yamantau Mountain. So the route from here should go like this. This is our goal.
So, is this what you had in mind?
Yes, this is it. The Ark Project is a whole city underground. Enormous stores, machines, the best experts. It is the Commander General's HQ, All of the country's leaders are there.
Sounds
They
like
have
a
already
cool place.
started the restoration work. We will tell them that Moscow is alive. It wasn't all for nothing. Everything will change. Everything. Do you get it? A new life is starting for all the survivors of the war.
Yay! Survivor!
Single women in that place?
What?
Great reaction. So I think the moment calls for... Bring it out to me.
Bring what out, Colonel? Sir?
That thing that's been sloshing about in your canteen. You think I'm deaf or what?
That. Just a moment. I thought my ears were deceiving me.
It's not a short trip to the Urals, so we should make ourselves comfortable, I guess. Let's name this bucket of bolts at the very least, eh?
It's about time.
Let's go around and be done with it.
Nah, go to hell. Even better. Oh, come
How
on.
about Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn, and a cruiser of, you know what?
That's better.
Not bad. I like it.
Beautiful name!
Sounds okay, but the cruiser of what? Yeah, I'll tell you later.
Looks like it's decided. Let's drink to Aurora!
Aurora, nice. Drink that. Come on! Finish it.
Hey, Artyom, let's take a look at that map.
All right, we had a round. That should be enough. You're back. Full steam ahead. Hi. Full steam ahead.
Wow, that's some distance. I wonder how long it will take.
Yeah, it is.
How are you, Alyosha?
Oh, Anna. I was expecting an arrow from a Cupid, but I got a bullet from an ugly motherfucker instead.
You can resume the journey and continue exploring the journey.
Just so you know, scars attract
Excuse me.
And there's definitely a lot of those up ahead.
There's not really much I can explore here.
I don't need a lot, really.
Oh, I can go out here. That's cool. Can I... Oh.
So, dear Moses, can you feel how sweet the air is without a mask? Or not just sweet, so many shades of taste it has.
Shades of
Weird
taste.
feeling, eh, my friend? I remember you telling me how you took your mask
Idiot.
off atop a Stonkino tower.
Is that how you pronounce your name?
When you honed those missiles in on the dark ones,
Yeah.
was the air bitter then?
Yeah, it was.
Who knows though? Had you not launched those missiles, you'd probably never have climbed that building or received that signal. Life is weird, huh? One random event drags another with it, like links in a chain. And you are pulling that chain out of a deep, dark well. The links emerge from the dark water. And what link is in that bucket that's on the end of the chain? That's a mystery. That's what I often think about when facing a choice. You can't drop the chain either. You always have to drink from that bucket. Well, bottoms up, I suppose. So, how does it feel to be the Moses who yanked on this particular chain?
Alright, I'm leaving.
Is it well?
Yep, I'm leaving. Okay. I'm sorry. Yep. Let's go back here when it's a little bit more quiet.
Andrei Ivanovich, how long have you been working with those jammers?
Oh, I can go back here now. Is there any ammo I can take? Oh, that. I'll,
Hello. It seems to me, whether it was intended or not, that our colonel now has a goal to strive for because of you.
thanks.
We all remember the way you fought back in D6, so no matter what lies ahead, we're with you. You can count on us.
Nice.
Yes. As for me, I'm running a little inventory check.
Okay.
Well, hello there, Tom. People could have called me out there to drink to Aurora. I still think Beelzebub was a better name.
I'll help a little bit.
Help yourself.
It's only fair. Really?
Because frankly speaking, I'm a bit tired here. The only good thing about this job is that you forget it's winter.
that's enough.
Okay, I'll take it.
That's all. You're freaking better be grateful I helped you at all. Ungrateful little. Is there anything else I can? Sure.
About 2 months ago,
What is
they
this?
loaded a
Is
bunch
this
of
like?
people onto my Aurora.
Oh, this is like fast travel, basically. Okay, yeah.
After all those years in the underground, the air of the surface seemed incredibly fresh, intoxicating. But that was not what had caused the crew's euphoria. Our journey finally got a definite purpose provided by the transmission from the government bunker in the Urals. For 20 years, we thought that neither the government nor military high command had survived. Turns out they're still around. Where were they while we were eating each other alive in the metro? We'll have a lot of questions for them once we reach Yamantau, if we reach it. The ruins of our country are under enemy control, according to Miller, and we'll have to fight through to our goal. A small team against the occupation armies? What are the chances that we'll succeed? That we'll get some answers?
I think they're pretty. Also, that was a long trip.
Froze anything off yet, darling? Here, let's warm you up a little bit.
Bourbon? That
So,
was
what do you think our chances of getting to Yamantau alive are? It's the only thing on my father's mind. How to earn his forgiveness, get back to Metro and his old life, the life you had always been running from. And to think, I never believed you. And now I'm looking at this fog, thinking it could actually be hiding our new life from us. By the way, we should be approaching the bridge soon.
nice.
Damn it! A campfire! People! There are people there! Hit the brakes!
Ooh. That's not gonna protect me from much. A fence isn't gonna protect me from bullets, especially. Anything I need to be shooting? Dude, photo mode?
On a trolley. All hands, report to the bridge on the double.
Where? Oh, as in up here. Okay.
Are you alright, Artyom?
Yeah, I'm still breathing.
Pierce the cylinder. How bad is it?
Uh.
Can we move?
No, it's...
Oh, shit.
Damn fog. Seems we ran through someone's roadblock.
Who was it?
Like a
Any
rail
uniforms?
block.
None. They were wearing rags.
Just some old farts.
Old farts, huh? It's just the perimeter guard. They could have put anyone there, even women and children.
Do you really think we found them, Colonel?
Well, we can't be sure. I was expecting to run into them much earlier. The trolley is headed towards the bridge. Some fortifications there. This looks peaceful. A village and a church on the water. We need intel. Here, Artyom. I put a mark on your map. Get there and find out what you can about that bridge. And taking a prisoner would be ideal. Anna, you cover him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I go with Artyom too. As backup.
No. Until we figure out our situation, you are not to take a step away from the Aurora.
Let's go,
These
Artyom.
two can handle themselves just fine.
I'm telling you, that's Dempsey.
Yermak, when can you get the Aurora running again? I don't know yet. Gonna check on that cylinder, but that full day at least. I see. Get to it then. Spartans, let's prepare the
Artyom,
Aurora.
don't forget your backpack. It's a new module.
Thanks.
A portable workshop, so to speak. The manual is inside.
Is there any
It
ammo?
doesn't come with crafting materials, though, so keep an eye out for those.
Don't tell me I need to pick up wood. What is this, Minecraft? Come on, don't ruin the
Just
game.
Be careful out there.
Sure thing. I gotta say, that was one flimsy roadblock.
Really? I can't just scroll?
And those guys.
Okay.
Well,
There you
they
go.
didn't look
Yeah, that
like
makes
army
more
men at
sense.
all. Just old men.
Just old dudes.
Careful out there.
Yeah, I got it.
Remember, most of the country has been destroyed or occupied. Even those who speak our language might be enemies, by conviction or out of fear. Got it?
Do you hear that bell? We must have given them a good scare. Maybe they served the enemy, enslaved or something.
I don't have a mask on. No, I don't. So it's like...
That was great.
But yeah, don't tell me I gotta pick up wood and stone like Fortnite or Minecraft. That it? Oh, it's like a beaker. Hold I to craft certain consumables. I mean, I'll look. See.
Look around while you're inside.
Yeah.
That
Whoa.
electric tower there looks like a perfect sniper
Crafting.
position.
What am I
Let's go.
getting? Oh, medkit. Frickin' craft that. And then, that's it. I can only carry 3. I thought I can carry 4 or something. Dismantle, I guess. It costs things to dismantle. Wait. Oh. Okay. And I can, okay. Light grip. Alright, whatever. I'll look at it later. Because she's walking way ahead of me and I need like more materials, I'm sure. Wait up. Okay.
Look, a rabbit.
Cool, I didn't see it. Ooh, wait, is that ammo? Yeah. I'll take those. It's like, it's just like one material or something. It's beaker. I get 10 beakers. It looks like there's lots of stuff you can look through. Excuse me, sir. Do you have any wrenches on you? House. Can I not go through here? I guess this would be a better choice. That's not what I wanted. That's interesting, though. I will take that. Oh, I gotta, like, unlock it, I guess. That makes sense. I'm looking.